Want some real sound from your C8 Corvette? Well, lace up your New Balance sneakers and grab your Craftsman tools because we're going to make your C8 Corvette a whole lot more fun. The 8th generation Chevrolet Corvette is a massive departure from Corvettes of old. The mid-engine layout is a performance game changer. Moving the engine behind the driver not only adds performance potential to America's sports car, but also changes where the sounds come from. One of enthusiasts' biggest complaints about the C8 Corvette is the sound, or lack of it. The muted exhaust is a major buzzkill. Fortunately, the aftermarket has a solution. Hooker's Black Heart lineup of premium exhaust systems now includes 2020 to current Corvettes with and without the MPP active exhaust. These systems have what Corvette owners crave: aggressive sound to match the mid-engine Corvette's imposing aesthetics. The Hooker Black Heart catback exhaust systems give the mid-engine Vette the sound it deserves and drop over 19 pounds compared to the heavy factory muffler system. Adding good looks and a few extra horsepower are icing on the cake. Catback exhaust systems for C8 Corvettes fall into two categories: those equipped with NPP valves and those without. The NPP valved options vary sound volume and character by allowing a portion or all of the exhaust to bypass a straight-through transverse muffler. Hooker's exhaust for NPP equipped Corvettes features a straight-through muffler and 304 stainless steel construction. It weighs 19 pounds less than the factory setup, offering 10 more horsepower and a customizable sound via the factory NPP valves. C8 Corvettes without NPP valves benefit from simpler, lighter catback designs. It eliminates the muffler for full send exhaust tone, performance, and weight savings. Power gains are modest at 7 horsepower, as GM left very little on the table regarding exhaust performance. Those wanting more bling at the back can opt for a polished tip version as well. Let's get started. First, we disconnected the negative side of the battery. Then we jacked up the rear of the Vette using 2 jacks and rested it on 2 jack stands under the rear lower control arm points. We removed both rear wheels. Then we removed the trim panel at the back of the wheel well. After removing the remaining clips and fasteners, we moved the wheel well liner aside for access. Moving under the car, we removed the screws securing the trim panel and the bottom of the rear fascia. Next, we removed the 2 screws and nuts holding the rear fascia to the fenders inside the wheel well. Then, we removed the screws holding the top of the rear fascia at the top of the rear trunk wall. With the fasteners out, we carefully pulled the rear fascia back from the Corvette. We disconnected the rear electrical harnesses before carefully setting the fascia aside. With the rear fascia removed, accessing the exhaust system is easy. The only tricky part is accessing the catalytic converter flange nuts. One method is to use a long extension and a swivel. You can fish the swivel and extension through the exhaust to access all the flange bolts. However, there's another way. Removing the access panel in the trunk tremendously increases access to the catalytic converter flange nuts. We highly recommend this method. With the flange nuts removed, we disconnected the vibration isolators on both sides of the exhaust. With the muffler supported, we removed the rear hangers from the chassis. The factory exhaust is bulky and heavy, so it's easier with an extra pair of hands. We needed to transfer the cylinder deactivation exhaust flow actuators from the factory system to the Hooker setup. We first removed the retaining pin and disconnected the linkage. With the linkage disconnected, we removed the bolts from each actuator. The Hooker systems don't use cylinder deactivation exhaust flow valves, so the actuators attach to brackets in the Hooker system that mimic the opening and closing of the valves to keep the Corvette's PCM happy. Next, we slid the Hooker exhaust system in place and temporarily supported it with a jack. Next, we installed the rear hangers. Then we installed the isolators on both sides. With the rear bumper cover in place, we installed the exhaust tips. Note how we kept the shipping foam around the tips to protect them. We removed the foam and made final adjustments before tightening the clamps. Before firing up the engine, we cleaned the system with solvent so our fingerprints wouldn't stain the pretty exhaust. The hooker system for NPP-equipped C8 Corvettes looks and sounds incredible. It's precisely what this Corvette needed. We especially liked how the polished center muffler is visible ahead of the rear fascia. The optional polished double wall tips stood out in the openings and featured the distinctive Hooker Blackheart logo. Not only do we get compliments on the car, but people inside and outside of the car love to hear it.